HDP Weekly Bazar along Market Shed Anujok ke Sompon. EM Surya Rong Parpen HDP Weekly Bazar Shed Anujok ke Sompon. Lakhain Korasi Borjan Constituency Arlo HDP along Pinini Final Cap Arni ada Porpai Cap Aporpen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Executive Member Surya Rongpar Ari Dingpen HDP Weekly Bazar along Market Shed Anujok ke Sompon. Lapen kikim kerang tami pangceng pon pit popusi pacini pon. HDP Bazar Committee President Harlong Bing dikatar pen sitami pacuru pajer pon. Lapuson HDP Bazar along ason kapaceng turasai kedeng pon tekapot. Son si HDP Weekly Bazar along Kor Tompen ken tami deng pon elo lapen ke kikim kerang pangceng pon da popusi pen nije pon. Bangso along Alhiaman pen Karbianglong Autonomous Council Surya Rongpar Chetongdun. Lapen Borjan BDC Chairman Sunaram Singlar, HDP Bazar Committee President Harlong Bing Tikathar, SGB Lapen Sot Recho Youth Clubs Abitung Atungta Chetongdun pen Nujok Kesom Amay along RDP dun. Lason si Penang Ankete Kiding Atum Chetongdun.